a dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Thank you all so much for joining us on today's news. The headlines: the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, said that any country where government officials are richer than businessmen won't survive. Moving on, after this, we have the ruling All Progressive Congress APC accused the opposition of instigating mass protests against President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administrations. So guys, before we proceed with this news, welcome to Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. Thank you all so much for joining us on today's news. Please like and share this video, and also the notification bell to get notified when next we drop our video. You can send in your comments and keep the conversation lively in our comment section. The presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, has emphasized the critical importance of tackling corruption and criminality as means of driving Nigerian economy forward. Peter Obi said this while giving a remark at the 21st TVL Annual Lecture and International Leadership Symposium on Skill-Driven Entrepreneurship to mark the 68th birthday of Prof. Pat Utomi on Monday. He stated that corruption and criminality kills professionalism and hard work, and as such, the government must be deliberate to fight these cankerworms to drive the nation. That any country where the government officials are richer than the businessmen and manufacturers will not survive. That they must dismantle corruption and reward people for their talent and energy, because the country must be structured in a way that people's talent and hard work will give them the opportunity to strive and contribute to the economy. In a panel discussion, Dr. Alfred Okungu, the founder of Group Managing Director Akko Group PLC, charged the government to be deliberate and intentional in supporting local production. Okunga employed Nigerians to scale up their skills to improve their lives and contribute to the economy. He also advised entrepreneurs to be concerned about making impact in businesses and not just making money. Also, Tunde Kainde, the co-founder, leader, a digital fintech leader, suggested that the country should be seen as a business. Hence, a strategy for the growth, maintenance, and sustainability must be ensured by the leadership. Kainde noted that there were so many opportunities in the Nigerian market that can solve the problems of the country. In that case, there should be a need for clarity and direction from the government about where the country is going, so that the citizens can key into it to get to the next level. My people, now this one Peter Obi talk. Peter Obi was under fire. So many people attacking him. There is a reason why all these politicians worked against Peter Obi. What could that be? Because they are saying that if Peter Obi is truly interested in what is going on in the country, that he should meet with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and share his ideas instead of being stingy with it. But what Peter Obi says is true. If you don't have logical thinking, you won't understand these raw facts. You know, we are not ready yet. When we are ready for the truth, this country will be better. People will totally ignore the point because they cannot see past their own hate. Being in politics should not be how people get rich and gain wealth as a whole. You know, you should be getting into politics to do good as a public servant, but people get into politics knowing it is an easy way to make money. That is the major problem we are facing. If the salary of a politician was the same as a teacher, we would really start to see who is doing it for the right reasons. Some are saying because he took up the state fund into his family business in the name of investment, so he should stop chasing clout and join hands together to build Nigeria of his own dream. This is the man that had assets abroad as far back as 1999 before politics. He headed several national and multinational companies. He gave up millions and billions. He could have embezzled that. Not accused by a single board member of all these organizations for any fraudulent activities while maintaining a charitable cause. Yet, he is cursed by people. Why? The fact still remains that tribalism and religions are the things killing our economy. And some will say they won't do anything different with all these ideas. He is constantly dishing out these ideas for free. Believe it or not, as simple as ABC. Kill the political economy for the people's economy. Encourage hard work and ingenious creative thinking, and watch the economy and lives of Nigeria transform. The funny thing is that we have this talent in abundance. all over Nigeria, but the political class has weaponized poverty. That is the truth. And some people are too just comfortable with suffering. A man is trying to make life easy for them, but they said no. Look at what is happening in this country. If Nigerians can put their hearts together and work in harmony, things will get better. That is the truth. So guys, let me know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. Moving on to the next one, the ruling All Progressive Congress has accused the opposition of instigating mass protests against President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration under the guise of protesting against the increasing cost of living in the country. In the statement on Tuesday in Abuja, the APC said in their arrant desperation to portraying the APC-led administration as underperforming, the opposition party have resorted to instigating unsuspecting young people to protest in the streets of some major cities. They said that the protests in Minna and Kano on Monday were the manifestation of these devious and patriotic plots. That the protests happened simultaneously in both cities. That is not coincidence. It bears the bold stamp on orchestrated and coordinated effort to instigate unrest and undermine the government. Because this mercenary opposition tactics is a clear and present threat to public peace and national security. And the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu-led administration is solidly committed in doing everything in his power to mitigate the transit pain of critical importance reform that are crucial to economic recovery and sustainable prosperity for all Nigerians. So in that case, they are encouraging the good citizen of this beloved country to stand firm with the government in this noble stride. That in due time, this policy reform will yield an enduring beneficial transformation of the material condition of life in the country. They will employ Nigerians to shun the guile and unpatriotic attempts by opposition elements to destabilize the country for their own base and procure political gains. Honestly, Nigeria has been grappling with a myriad of economic challenges, including inflation, unemployment, and a weakening currency, which have significantly contributed to the rising cost of living across the nation. The impact of these economic pressures has been particularly severe on the average Nigerians, making it increasingly difficult to afford basic necessities such as food, shelter, and health care. So it is now incumbent upon the authorities to heed these calls and take meaningful steps to alleviate the suffering of the populace, because failure to do so will result in mass protests. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. Let's keep the conversation lively in our comment section. Once again, thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. We really do appreciate. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified when we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. On this note, we have come to the end of this segment. Like, come your way next. Stay safe, guys. Bye.